It's the central bank flow. Let me tell you what's real when the economy's cold. QE's the deal. Quantitative easing, we're breaking it down. Printing that money, spreading it around. When the economy stalls and can't pick up steam, the central bank moves, it's part of the scheme. They already cut rates, but it's not enough, so they roll out QE to pump things up. They buy government bonds, even mortgage debt, pumping cash to the banks to settle their bets. The banks sell assets, getting liquid fast. Now they've got the funds to loan out at last. It lowers interest rates on loans and more, making borrowing easier than before. Businesses expand, they hire some hands. People spend money, it's the QE plan. Quantitative easing, printing that dough, flooding the market, making money flow. Boosting demand when times are cold. It's a central bank move, the system's controlled. With more cash flowing, assets rise. Stocks and housing may hit new highs. It's pulling demand out from the freeze. That's the essence of quantitative easing, please. But it's not all good, there's risks on deck. Too much QE, get inflation in check. If cash outpaces the goods on supply, prices soar higher, wallets run dry. And watch for bubbles, those markets inflate. Stocks or real estate might carry the weight. If they pop too fast, it could crash the game. QE's a tool, but it's playing with flame. Quantitative easing, printing that dough, flooding the market, making money flow. Boosting demand when times are cold. It's a central bank move, the system's controlled. When growth recovers, they taper it slow, reducing the buys so markets don't blow. They shrink their balance sheet, pull cash back. Careful adjustments to stay on track. Stop too late, inflation's a beast. Stop too quick, growth might cease. It's a balancing act, a tightrope walk. QE's all about timing the clock. Quantitative easing, printing that dough, flooding the market, making money flow. Boosting demand when times are cold. It's a central bank move, the system's controlled. So now you know what the central banks do when recessions loom. They follow this route, quantitative easing, keeping things steady. A policy tool when the world's not ready, but handle it wisely. It's no easy task. Print too much money, problems will blast. Quantitative easing, it's policy gold. Now you got the knowledge, the game's been told.